Hi everybody! Hey! Today, always with the Scabit. Yes, during the end of this month and until my next radio session, just Scabit on my mind and on your mind. So, listen, enjoy this stranger called Scabit. It's a gift. Hey, Rudies!
Calling the east from the west, that's where you rest. And calling the north from the south, I'll keep you out.
The foundation of Jamaican music. Scabit is the music of the independence. So, Jamaica and ska is the same. Are the same.
Your neighbor, you must love, as you love your friend.
Oh.
Calling the east from the west, where you rest.
Move your feet. Rudies.
And calling the north from the south, I'll keep you out.
Shake your hip.
Thing you are planning to do
Swing your arms.
come true.
Now you're deep.
The pain will get that bad.
This is the Jamaican beat. Scabit. Scabit. Ska, 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 ska. Hey, hey. Oh, yeah. Listen this great beat.
And calling the east
Tempo
from the
beat.
west, that's where you'll rest.
West Indies in the 60s.
I'll keep you out. Hey, how? The thing you are planning to do won't come true. The good you do is the pain will get that bad through.
Catalites on back. Swing, swing melody. And do not forget that Jamaican music is medicine for the world.